Sales reps, sales directors, we all know it's a rookie mistake to go into a sales meeting and focus on your services before diving into some great questions. But did you know that 75% of the sales reps are asking the wrong questions? What does that mean? If your questions are focusing on needs and requirements, you're probably not creating value. So if you have questions about your questioning, you might want to join on Monday, September the 7th, sales training webinar that is completely focused on questions that you can ask in a sales meeting. You will walk away from that sales training webinar with a question bank template that you can use in your next sales meeting with a list of questions. If you want to know how that works, check out the link below from Brian Stobo, who talks about the questions that we created for his organization. Join me on Monday. Leave me a comment below and I'll send you the purchase options.